Hey, my phone. Hey guys, it's me Nathan, and today I brought my selfie stick so you guys can actually see. This time we're actually inside the house, and as you can see, I'm not lying. This is not fake shit, guys.
That was big.
Watch out.
You got the color.
Look around the house what you're supposed to do. Hold your camera.
I'm sorry, guys.
What are you doing, babe? Be careful. I stepped on a nail. It hurts bad.
And some pictures up here.
I just got that tetanus shot. One's sticking up right here, and one's sticking up right here. Be careful, because it hurts bad. I'm in a lot of pain right now. Yeah, pop box right here.
Oh my god. See, as you can see, there's some green right here. That's a condom, guys. I guess people here really like smoke or do drugs. There's pictures and
It's weird in here. There's pictures up still. The people or whoever was here. TV in here still.
last time we thought we had to sneak in through the window right here. See, because it's broken.
There's umbrellas in here.
Wow. Mom, is that a full jug of water?
Be careful where you guys step, okay?
Yeah, please be careful.
Fuck, man. This is weird. They got wind chimes in here.
That umbrella look new.
What is it?
Umbrella.
Oh, crap. I'm sorry, guys. Let me turn on my flashlight.
They got somebody died because they got gone but not forgotten. I miss you so much. Pictures.
Umbrellas, windows. Oh my god, there's toys here, guys.
Is that a necklace?
Oh, Mom, here's the kitchen, Mom.
Let's go back and look at it. Please be careful where you step.
I'm fine. I just almost fell back.
Is it? Here. Here.
Dude, Helen.
Spider webs. Where are you guys?
And as you can see, I've got my my knife.
Look, the thing is crooked.
What the?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, that is crooked, Mom.
Whoever died in 2007.
Mom, look. Look.
Careful.
Look.
What?
That's an iPad charger. That's an iPad charger.
Y'all be careful.
There ain't no light back here. It's all boarded up.
Dad, don't touch anything. Wait, Mom, look. Dad found pills. What are those, Dad?
Cytoframe.
What's that mean?
I don't know.
Dad, look. See that green thing right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's their condoms right there.
Mm-hmm.
This is like a little closet.
It looks like there must be a stairway. Look, is there steps going up right there?
Yeah.
That's her upstairs, not. Yep. Molly, there's dishes in here, everything.
That was me.
That is blood. They did.
Wait, where does it look like there's... Where does it look like there's blood, Destiny?
I didn't say blood. What are you talking
Oh,
about?
I thought you said blood.
Yeah, whatever else was in here.
Oh. Excuse me.
I want to look at them dishes. I wonder if there's anything that's antique that's worth money or something.
Mom, come on.
Nathan, you gotta show people what you're looking at.
You go in first. You go in first. I'm too scared.
What we should have brought the
I've been there because the ceiling's falling out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I did.
Give me a flashlight. Come on.
What are you doing, little buddy?
looking up what that medicine is.
Dining room set up down there.
antidepressant.
Is it?
Yeah.
I was wondering to see if it was like an antipsychotic or something.
Oh, Mom, look. Mom. Look at this. There's a freaking full jug of water.
You didn't notice that.
Yeah, you did, but
Oh my god.
Yeah, everything's definitely just left in here.
I wonder if there's any good shit in here. This is like a
There's
closet.
like no room down here. You guys can try to come down there.
Guys, that pink stuff is plexiglass. It can easily get into. It's in this little black thing, so be careful.
There's like. What is it I hung up down here? Can you guys say?
Can you see, Daphne?
Alright. You want me to move further so you can come down?
Yeah, play.
Look, you want your phone back now so you can see? Okay. Once your eyes just
Oh,
feel like it's
the
better.
brick just.
Nathan, be careful, please.
Alright. Oh my god,
Hell
look at
no.
that.
Look at this. Oh, I just hit a spider web.
Oh god. Oh. Oh,
Yeah, you guys, this basement is looking really sinister. There's a basement open. Nathan,
Mom.
put your thing the right way so people can see right. It's all jumbled around. You're not going to walk.
Mom.
It's down there.
That door's
You
open.
gotta let your sisters. And you gotta let your sisters.
I don't know what to freaking do.
Oh,
Right
Really,
is
Mom?
it?
Yeah, like right there. Steps.
There's steps right here too. There's like a dingy basement. Like I want to get out this way so you guys can see it and then we can go. Because I'm like,
Look at this.
is that steps going up or steps going down?
Steps one up.
Ooh,
Should we do it?
We can't get over there. We can squeeze all this crap.
I'm not going up there.
Yeah, I mean.
Fuck
I
that
don't
shit.
Look, Mom,
Not
look.
that little weird door. No way.
Not that little one, the
This
one in the
one.
corner.
Oh,
You didn't see that?
no, I didn't.
Look, Mom, whole bunch of electrical sockets.
Right over there.
Shine your flashlight toward the steps.
Yeah, there's some steps right there.
Wow.
Whoa.
Is that a CD player right there? It is. I'm gonna grab that.
What is it?
A CD player. You should see this basement you got. Let me get out so the girls can see the basement, Nathan. Because we seen it. That shit looks scary. You go this way.
Right over there. You walking? Yeah.
Clock stopped at 10:50. Alright. Go ahead. It's not too scary, but down in that basement it's scary as well.
This is a nice little whatever this is.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh God. No,
run.
Run. That's sinister right there. I don't want anything conjuring up resurrection.
Dude.
They
Yeah,
got
crap.
tea over there. Oh, tea.
Why is it just open?
Oh my god, look, Mom, little baby clothes.
I know.
You
So
got
little,
tea and short. I want to know what's down there.
me neither. How's it know?
What is down there and what is upstairs? That's just like
That takes real balls to go upstairs or down there. That would take some
Yeah,
real balls.
nobody just leaves that open. That's not
How do we get
no.
over there? And see how old the doors are? Look, they're like this old
Yeah.
swing doors.
Like old.
Right.
You know, everything has like metal doors now, like over it and stuff.
Excuse me.
So weird.
Alright.
Ow.
I'll be the last
Sorry,
to
I
go.
can't get out.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's right. Go to it. Be careful.
Are we coming or what?
Yeah. What's on there?
Come on, guys.
Alright, guys, thanks for watching.